Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello, positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I will be doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course. If you are a student of the Law of Attraction and you love it, give me a little thumbs up. Show the universe a little bit of love and a little support. Every single day of August, a video will be posted that will be part of a 30-day Law of Attraction series. Each video will flow nicely into the next video, just like a class or a course. Today is day 5. Click here to start at day 1, to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes long to be mindful of your time. We're all busy, I know. Allow me to mention the course workbook. It's free and there's a link below so that you can download it and follow along for the entire month of August. Okay, so far in the first few days, I defined the Law of Attraction, I reviewed the universal laws that govern everything, and I showed you the negative thought loop. On day 3, the steps in the thought loop dictate the steps in the crash course. So all of this starts with one very important concept. Here it is. First and foremost, it is very important to feel good. Let me tell you why. There are 2 ways you can see yourself and live your life. You can see yourself either as a creator of your life or a reactor to your life. As a creator, you choose at every given moment what you want your next moment to be like. To do this, you must do your best to feel good. By thinking good thoughts, feeling good feelings, taking positive actions, you are creating your next moment, your next day, your future. The problem that people face is that they find themselves in their present moment reacting to something that has just happened or happened in the past. It can be something from 5 minutes ago or 5 years ago. People get stuck, defined by their familiar past. Please hear this. You may have created your past deliberately or not, but after it's done, you must move forward. Let your past be a lesson, not a prison sentence to relive for the rest of your life. Stop now. This moment, right now, is all we have. Conjure up a good feeling. Feel this way as long as possible and as often as possible. Your homework today is to go through the entire day paying attention to whether you are creating or reacting. If you are reacting and it's negative, stop. Transmute the negativity into something positive and useful. You can do this. Keep a record of this and then fill out your workbook. Feel as good as possible today. Do this by doing these 3 things, okay? Number 1, smile as much as possible. Number 2, think of things that you're grateful for and write them down as well. And 3, experience things that you like today. So eat foods you like, talk to nice people, and do a hobby you enjoy. Okay, my most intelligent, beautiful, wonderful, motivated students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. Tomorrow we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you do not miss the next lesson. Have a glorious day, and I love you. Be positive. Mwah. Your homework today is to go through, Your homework today is to go through the entire